Hey guys, welcome back. I am live on Instagram right now. Hi. And it is Cinco de Mayo, so happy Cinco de Mayo to everyone. And it's also Taco Tuesday. So that is awesome, like that these have come together. I ordered in some tacos from Taco Boulevard here in San Antonio, and I am really excited. I got a barbacoa taco. It's delicious barbacoa. I got sweetbreads. These chicharron tacos. They look delicious. And then I also have here El Pastor. And I have bistec. And I have some elotes or esquites on the side here. Some corn in a cup. And a beautiful fruit cup that I got from down the road. So I'm super excited. What are y'all doing for Cinco de Mayo today? Are y'all doing anything fun? Enjoying some tacos, I hope? Hi, El Remedio. I wish I could have gotten your tacos. I mean, that would have been amazing, but that's okay. Well, I'm starving. I haven't eaten yet today, so I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some lime on these. And let's start off with the barbacoa taco. Look at that. That is very good. Let's try this red salsa back here. That one's got a nice kick. Very good. El Remedio, definitely go get you some tacos. See how this green one is. I usually like the green salsas. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Well, the barbacoa was delicious. I like this green salsa a lot. Allie wants some. Let's try the corn. Oh my gosh. That's so good. The corn is so sweet and crisp, but then you've got that creaminess from the mayo, spiciness from the chili. I'm a sucker for corn. That's very good. Alright, now let's go with this bistec taco. This one has so much cheese. Look at all that cheese. Dang. That looks so good. I'm gonna try this orange sauce now. So this one has avocado on it. That was a really nice bite. Their bistec's a little bit chewy, but it's very flavorful. Hey, Mark. Good to have you on. So if y'all are just joining me, what are y'all up to for this Cinco de Mayo? That's excellent. I mean, can you go wrong with tacos? No. No, you cannot. I have their fresh squeezed lemonade back here as well. That is very good. Let's see what else. Let's go with this al pastor. So you can see all that seasoning that's in there. Well, Mark, you gotta go eat them. Everybody gets lunch break. This is very good. Their pastor has a lot of flavor in it. This is from Taco Boulevard. I was going to try Metro Taco Stop. They have lengua, and I love lengua, but nobody delivers to me from there. And I'm gonna be honest, I did not want to get out. I'm feeling super lazy. So, Taco Boulevard it was. And I'm not disappointed. It's a decent taco. Alright, this one is the... This is the sweet bread. Oh, wow. This is my favorite so far. That's amazing. The texture on it is so good. Add some green salsa. Wow. I almost wish I'd saved that one for last, but maybe the chicharron will be just as good. So we have our final taco here. We have the chicharron taco. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this in all 3 salsas. We're just gonna go crazy now. Do y'all think I could do this in one bite? Not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed with myself on that one. Those are super delicious. Now we have the fruit cup. Some watermelon here. It's got chamoy and chili. Got a little lime we can squeeze on it here. So we've got cantaloupe and pineapple and mango. This is excellent. I love the bite from the lime and then the little kick from the chili. Very good. So I got the corn and the fruit cup from drive-through Cinco de Mayo. This at Mi Familia at the Rim. I got those yesterday. And then tacos, which were amazing. Taco Boulevard. They also have 12-inch tacos with cheese on them. I think they're more like quesadillas, but oh, Allie. Alright guys, well, I'm going to go do some editing and I'm going to enjoy my delicious fruit cup for dessert. So, thank you guys for joining me, those of you that were on Instagram Live and those of you that will watch this later. I hope you have a super, super blessed day, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Thank y'all for joining me tonight. I love getting to eat and chat with you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'd love to hear any suggestions you have for eating challenges or foods to try. So let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. If you're interested in learning some fun recipes, check out my cooking channel, And please follow me on Instagram and Facebook to keep up with any updates or video teasers that may come your way. Well, I hope y'all have a super blessed night, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!